True with Guns America, we are at SHOT Show 2025 Beretta's Range Day today. In my hands, this is a Beretta 1301 Tactical, and there's been a lot of confusion over whether you can still buy this firearm. So the ATF has made some, I guess, required changes come about, is the best way to say that. And so there's some confusion on whether you can still get this. So this is a 1301 Tactical. The version that the ATF is no longer allowing Beretta to sell is this. It's the 7+1 version. It says 1301 Tactical on the side here. And Beretta has already changed this. And basically what they've done is turned this into a 5+1 version. You no longer have the barrel clamp and the extension here. Everything else is the same. You can tell the difference in the models because the new one will say 1301 Tactical C. So it's still exactly the same gun otherwise, you just don't have the extension. Now, I just want to point out to you guys that extensions are not illegal, so once you buy a 1301 Tactical from Beretta, which they are shipping now, you can do whatever you want to it. So there's a whole bunch of companies that would allow you to add an extension if that's something that you wanted to do yourself, but to be compliant with our federal government, they're now shipping without that. In fact, is that it right there?
This is an A300, but this is the 4-inch cap.
Okay. All right, so we're just going to stick a couple rounds through this. If you guys aren't familiar with the 1301 Tactical, this thing is a workhorse. It's a great shotgun, perfect home defense gun. Tons of law enforcement are carrying these. They're being used for all kinds of things. It's one of the most reliable shotguns on the market. So we're just going to show you a couple shots getting fired here out of it. And we're just going to load 5 rounds as if it was legal. Here we go. Okay, that's it right there, the 1301 Tactical. Watch out for this on your dealer shelves. Okay, appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Lots more SHOT Show content coming, so make sure you hit that notify button so you don't miss anything.